Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you about Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things? Internet of Things is the study of interconnected devices where the devices are made smart enough to share information with each other and the cloud. This new wave of technology is going beyond computers and smartphones. That is, it going towards connected homes, connected cities, connected cars, connected healthcare, and many more. Let me explain. As we are surrounded with lots of physical devices like refrigerator, television, air conditions, lights, fans, microwave ovens, etc. Now by using IoT, we can make these devices smart enough to share information with us, and the best part is it can be controlled from anywhere in the world. Wouldn't you like if you can turn on and off your lights, fans or any electronic devices at your home with your smartphone from anywhere in the world? Or if you can unlock your door for our friends or relatives without being present at the home. With IoT, all these things are possible now. Let's see how. For example, there are two persons named A and B. So one day A and B were hurried in office and they forgot to turn off the lights. A lives in a house where most of the electronic devices, especially lights, are not connected to the internet. So to turn off the lights, A had to return home. But on the other side, B lives in a house where most of the electronic devices are connected to the internet. So B can turn off the lights with their smartphones and saves electricity. Let's take another example. One of your friends comes to your home and you are not present there. Then he calls you and you say that he has to wait because you are not present at your home. But if your door lock is IoT based, means if you can control it from outside using your mobile or web app, then it will be a great benefit for you. So now you have an idea how IoT is making our life easier and more connected. Let's talk about the brief history of IoT. IoT was first introduced in 1999. Kevin Aston, co-founder of Auto ID Center at MIT, is credited by most sources with coining the phrase Internet of Things. Aston's idea was to use the IoT for RFID, that is radio frequency identification, to connect devices. By June 2000, the world's first internet connected a refrigerator, that is the LG Internet Digital Diodes, had appeared featuring a LAN port for IP connectivity. It has only been in recent years that IoT has become a reality on a massive scale. The IoT is no longer just about a handful of high-end internet-connected appliances. Now, it's common for all type of devices from TVs to thermostats to cars to connect to the internet. Nowadays, a lot of appliances are being connected to the internet. There is a lot of research already going in this field. Amazon Alexa, Google Home Assistant, Apple Siri, self-driving cars are some common examples of the IoT in real life. It is being said that IoT is going to affect our life in every form. It is going to be smart retails, smart homes, smart cities, connected devices, almost everywhere. It was found that in 2013 there were 9 billions of IoT devices, but it is expected that these numbers will increase up to 1 trillion in 2025. So IoT is going to be the hottest IT buzzword at the moment. There are going to be lots of investment in this field. So it is estimated that the global worth of Internet of Things based technology is projected to be $6.2 trillion by 2025. So definitely there are going to be millions of jobs in this field. So you know the point, there are a lot of reasons to study Internet of Things, and we make this course in a very efficient and interactive manner such that you will easily understand the IoT concepts. So let's get started, guys.